Good Thursday evening, everyone. I hope you've all been having a good week so far. It's been a beautiful week here. My hubby's getting better, which is really good because I think I'm on the edge. But I get to art tonight, so I'm excited about that. Tonight, I'm really sorry. We're doing Christmas stars. But the good news, okay, so I'm depressing you because I'm bringing in the idea of Christmas and it's still just mid to end August, okay? And I know that. But the good news is that I'm going to have an end of summer sale. And I think I'm going to, well, we'll see. I'm going to take off the taxes, but we'll see. We'll make this a good one, okay? So, guys and gals, we are going to do Christmas stars. My wood guy made me up sets of stars, so let's get started. Well, I'll move you over because there's a third. Well, if I put you there, whoops. If I put you there, can you see them? Yeah, you can see all three. So we've got a large, medium, and small. So the colors we're using tonight are jet black. We're using Calamelca, which is one of my favorites. And then what I did was I mixed some emerald tint in with Calamelca. So it's got a bit of the shimmer of the Calamelca with the emerald color. And we're going to use, I combined two of my gold glitters. So we've got the antique gold, which is a nice dark gold, and I love that, with the gold dust, which is more of a yellow, brighter gold. So that's what we're going to use tonight. And let's get started. So I'm going to get my resin out of here. I got some new silicone measuring cups. And so I want to try to keep them as clean as possible. And doing this also makes it easier to peel out if I friggin' come down in time to peel it out. I always seem to forget. Okay, so let's just heat what I've put on up a little bit, move it around as far as it'll go. I've taped the back of the stars, but I haven't needed to prep the wood. This is MDF board. There we go. Okay, so let's start with our black. Move our colors out of the way. I'm going to start with the black. Do our little star, and there'll be a little bit of black left over. So if I need to do some touch-ups, I can do it. So now I'm going to spread this out. Same routine as always. Spread it out. Cover my edges. These aren't because it's a star. I didn't want rounded edges like on my boards, but he leaves them, which I love, tiny bit, like to touch, they're smooth, but you can tell there's a bit of a grain to it because it soaks the resin right in, so I don't worry about it going right off my edges. Like with other boards, you've seen me, I've had to come down later when it's setting up and redo my edges because it's all gone off. And I can't see it on that side, but I am hoping. There we go. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Oops. See, now you guys should be telling me. You're missing a spot. You're missing a spot. Mrs. Roper, you're missing a spot. And I'm telling you, as much as I love my husband, and you guys know I love that man to pieces, it is definitely a good test of a marriage when a man is not well. I have been Mrs. Nightingale, Florence Nightingale, I've been Mrs. Roper, I've been a cook, which I'm not the greatest of cooks, but you know, I've been doing things I've never, ever thought I'd be doing, but it just shows you when you love somebody, you'll do anything. But tonight, he's doing well, so he's relaxing, watching a movie. I'm going to art, and this poor body is gonna go and soak in the hot tub for a little while tonight. And it won't be the same without him, but it will sure feel good. Definitely feel good. So guys, I know this is boring, but I just want to make sure all the sides are done. Okay. 2 down. 2 down? Nope. See, you guys, you're not telling me this stuff. Speak up. 2 down. Last one to go. And boy, it's pretty watery. Let's see. What can we do here? I put too much clear on it. Oh, guess what? That's what we saved the extra black for, isn't it? Wasn't even thinking because it's smaller, it didn't need the extra resin. Almost done, guys, almost done. Oops. Okay, so there we go. Got a little few spots, but the color will, when I put color on, that'll do it in. Okay, let's get these hands cleaned up, and let's start with our color. Right? Okay, so let's try do okay, so there's a bit of that left. We'll leave that there. There's not as much as this, so okay, and we'll add the gold last. Okay, so let's add some heat to this. And push them around. Otherwise, they know. How did I miss you guys? Oh, I didn't even get you in the middle. Okay. There we go. This is why I like to leave a little bit in the cup of all the colors if I can, at least right down to the end, because then if I need it, I've got it. And that one just keeps disappearing, so there we go. So they become subtler and subtler as they get smaller. Okay, so, ooh, I like the colors. Okay, so now let's add some gold, but not so that it takes over. So I'm not going to pour it. I'm going to drizzle it. Okay. And I don't think I want any in the center of this one because I like the center of this one. You'll see it. I'll bring it close. And it's kind of the same here. So let's just do the same. Just drizzle on the outside. Yeah? Yeah. You know what? Less is more, right? Less is more. So let's pour this into the pyramid that we have over here that I'm doing for Miss Emma Bean to go with her table. It's in the red and the golds. And I'm leaving it. I'm leaving it because I like it. So let's bring you down and show you. I'll move the cups out of the way. And let's bring you guys down. big one. I really, oh dear. You know, sometimes you do ones you really like, and I think I really, if this stays just the way it is, I think I really, oops. Hold on, guys. There we go. No. There we go. Another one of those spots you didn't tell me about. But what, I hope you can see this. This is really subtle. It's very, that calamelca, and the emerald really made some a pretty color in this. See the shimmer of the calamelca, yeah, in it. Very, very nice. Okay. I know you're probably getting glare because I came over to the other side of the table as well, but I just wanted you to see. So I'm going to leave them alone. You know, you get so tempted to do a little bit more, or, you know, just like I said, that gold, I was thinking, should I put some in the middle? No, I am so glad that I chose not to, because the middle is where it's all shimmery and it looks very nice. You will see tomorrow when I can take pictures of this. Very, very nice. Okay, guys, thanks for joining me, and thanks for being with me during this with Gavin, and being understanding when I can't always answer your questions right away. I try very hard, but sometimes I'll be typing away and he'll need something, and you know, family first. Family always comes first. And as much as I love you guys, and yes, I consider you family, different kind of family, this one has to come first. My friends and my customers second, the business third. Oh God. My art obviously fourth, but which is kind of sad because I love it. And I try to get in as much as I can. So hopefully now that he's on the mend for a while, until they have to reverse the operation, which should be a lot easier than this. I get to do art when I can. Thanks, guys. Have a great week. Bye-bye.